how to add the reminder category widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on widgets. Next, scroll down and then tap on reminder. In here, drag the category widget and drop it onto your home screen. Now you can drag on the handles here to resize the widget. And if you want to change the width of the widget, just drag on the side handles. Touch and hold on the widget itself, then tap on settings. In here, you'll be able to change the background color. You can also change the transparency of the background color, or you can have it turn on or turn off and match with dark mode. On the top here, it said show completed reminders and pin important on to top. You can turn it on or off, and you can choose sort by. So you can sort it by in ascending order or descending, and you can sort by alert time, date modified, date created, name, and category. So choose your settings and then tap on done. And then tap on saved, and that's it. And in here you can tap on the drop down and choose the category to show. So you can show reminder for today, or schedule reminders, or just simply today. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.